Today we relearning the reverse beat effect. First, import a video clip and a music track, and set the music to auto mark beats. In your eyes, curve speed is the most useless feature. So many curve speed presets, yet you never use any. Until your pointer clicks on flash in. It looks okay, but still feels a bit plain. So you try deleting the third point, then drag the fourth point down to the lowest. The first two fast points feel too fast and not nice. So you decide to pull them to around triple speed. Then adjust the overall length to 3/5 of the beat mark. With no other ideas, you decide to duplicate it once. Again, open its speed curve panel. Using reverse thinking, drag the curve in the opposite way. The result at this point is surprisingly awful. So you decide to click the reverse function you never use. Adjust the length to match the music beat mark. Now you find the person first raises their arm, then pulls it back. When you repeat this process and replace the corresponding clips, you'll just learn the reverse keying effect that pro editors always use.